I think you know about this tag selector already. It selects all the instances of this specific tag. Of course, we have used the same already in the previous lectures. Just recollect the same. So if you give the tag name as the selector, it selects all the instances of the specific tag. For example, if you write like tag1, it selects all the instances of the specific tag1. Here, it doesn't matter where that tag is present. Whether it is a parent or a child or something else, it doesn't matter. Simply, if it is tag1, it selects the same. In place of tag1, you can assume any other tag name such as div, p, span, input, or else anything. So in the real world applications, whenever you would like to select all the instances of the specific tag unconditionally, then only you will use tag selector. But if you want to select the specific instances but not all, then you will use class selector. For example, if you investigate the Google, these are hyperlinks that are languages of India. So these are anchor tags, that is tag called A. And if you can check above, these also hyperlinks. So these also instances of the anchor tag, that is tag called A. And at the bottom, these 3 and these 4, all these are instances of anchor tag. Now, I would like to select only the languages but not above and below hyperlinks. In that case, I should use class selector, assuming there is a common class name for all these hyperlinks of languages. For example, for all these language hyperlinks, there is a common class name, and you will use the class selector to select all these specific anchor tags, but not others like above and below. But alternatively, if you want to select all the hyperlinks in the entire web page, doesn't matter where it is present or what kind of item is it, in that case only you will use tag selector. For example, for all these hyperlinks, unconditionally, you would like to remove underline. So in that case, you will use tag selector without class name. In our existing example, already we have used the tag selector, that is P. So this selector selects all the instances of the paragraph, that is P tag. So in this case, it doesn't matter in which div tag it is present. So all these P tags, all these other P tags, and also the P tag can be independently present anywhere. So all these instances of the P tag at a time get selected by using that tag selector. So as you can see, the same style gets applied for all these paragraph instances, that is either present in the first div or second div or anywhere in the web page. So this is the use of the tag selector. Let me remove this selector. So it selects all the instances of the paragraph. So it applies the background color, margin, padding for all these paragraphs.